Hi. For me, this month is all about organizing my online business. And if you don't know me just quite yet, organizing my business is my jam. I'm Kristi from Productive Content Creators, and I just want to share a quick tip that I discovered about organizing with Google Docs. This will be super short, but if you stay to the end, I've got a very special announcement. So I'm taking this course right now about actually creating an online course. And as I've been going through the course, I've been taking notes. I have been typing responses into this long document. And so as you can see, the longer I go in the course, the more modules that I've completed, the longer that it's getting. Now, the course actually comes with really great resources, worksheets, and all of that, but I had to keep going back and forth between different documents, and I decided to just organize it all into one document. But again, the document's getting really long, so when I'm ready to go to a specific part of the document, it's taking more time than what I want. I'm having to scroll up and down, back and forth through all the content. So what I want to do is walk you through how to connect the different parts with a bookmark link. So I saved a little bit of time and I went ahead and I wrote out subtitles for each part, each module of the course. Now, this is the first part, Course Foundation, and so it's right here, but I'm not going to link to it since it's at the top of the copy. But I've gone through, and all of the subtitles that I typed up at the top, they're highlighted in blue so I can find them easily. So as we go through and find a highlighted subtitle that I want to bookmark, that I want to link to, I'm just going to highlight that section of text. I'm going to go up here to Insert, and then I'm going, Insert, and then I'm going to hit Bookmark. Now you can see here that it says it is bookmarked, and you'll also know because it has the little bookmark symbol. Okay, so there's our first bookmark, and then we'll go back and link in a moment. So I'm going to scroll down to my next bookmark, and I'm going to highlight that with my cursor, insert, and go down and hit bookmark. And I'm just going to continue to do that for the rest of my tabs. I know this will take just a couple of minutes, but it's going to save me so much time in the end. And now after I've done this, just as I get to a new section and I'm starting a new section, I'll just remember to type this in and to bookmark it automatically when I start a new module, so I won't have to keep going back and doing this. This is going to really keep me organized as I go through the course. So if you have any documents that you're using a lot and you're going through them and it's taking time, this is a great solution. So now I have all of the different sections bookmarked. So now all I'm going to do is go back to the top where I kind of typed like a table of contents. I'm going to highlight the first section that says the outline. Now I go up to Insert, but this time instead of going to bookmark, I select link. And instead of typing in a URL, I hit bookmarks, and all of those different sections that were bookmarked come up now. So I'm going to select the corresponding one, the outline, and click on Apply, and there you have your first one. I'm going to go ahead and click on my second subtitle here, My Course Outline, Insert, going to go to Link. I want to insert a bookmark link. There I have the corresponding title, My Course Outline, and I click Apply. And now we'll just show you that it works. So I'm going to click on the outline section. I'm going to click on the little word that says bookmark, and there it takes me to that section. So you can see how that's going to save me a lot of time linking those together. So I just wanted to share that quick tip, and I hope that that helps you. I have found that Google Docs are really a great way to organize my business. Now I just want to take just a moment to announce some exciting news. I have a new organization course. If you're tired of your online business being unorganized, if you're frustrated when you know you've got that link or that document somewhere and you just can't find it, and you're tired of wasting time trying to locate it, or you just give up altogether and search the web for it all over again, which is such a time waster besides being really frustrating, then I have a solution for you. Notice I used my little bookmark tip here. I'm announcing my first online organization course. This course is going to teach you how to set up a free link management system, how to add, sort, delete, and rearrange all of your links, save posts and articles to go back later to read, schedule some time for FOMO, which is fear of missing out, and to use some organizational tips and strategies to get organized and then stay that way for good.